Now talking of the attachments of the tibia. So first of all, capsule of the knee joint. It is attached onto the lower end of your condyles, just below the articular surfaces on the lateral side, and then it extends anteriorly along the tibial tuberosity. As we have discussed, anteriorly you can see a prominence. This is the tibial tuberosity. On posterior side, on the laterally, it leaves a gap over here for the tendon for the passage of the tendon, that is the popliteus tendon, and medially it goes along this margin. So this is the attachment of your capsule. Anteriorly we have talked of the Gerdy's tubercle over here, that is on the lateral side of your lateral condyle. Here there is an attachment of iliotibial tract. Coming on to the prominence of anteriorly, which you see, this is the tibial tuberosity. As we have discussed, it has got two parts. The upper part, there is the attachment of ligamentum patelli, whereas on to the lower part there is the bursa is present, that is the infrapatellar bursa. So these two parts of the tibial tuberosity, they passes a epiphyseal line. So these are the attachments onto the tibial tuberosity. Anteriorly, more anteriorly, there on towards the medial side, there is an attachment of three muscles. Those three muscles come from the different compartments of your thigh. So as we go from above, that is from anterior to posterior, there is attachment of sartorius muscle. This is the muscle of the anterior compartment. Then posterior to the sartorius, there is insertion of another muscle, that is the gracilis muscle, which is the muscle of the medial compartment. More posteriorly, there is an attachment of that is your semitendinosus muscle. This muscle is of posterior compartment. So these are the three muscles which are from the different compartments of the thigh. These are attached onto the medial surface, on the upper part of the medial surface of the tibia. More posteriorly, there is attachment of tibial collateral ligament. These three muscles and the ligament, these are separated by a bursa, which is an anserine bursa. One more thing related to these attachment is these three muscles are from the different compartments of the thigh. It forms a guy rope over here. So hockey stick attachment of the sartorius, then there is a gracilis, then there is a semitendinosus. The groove which we have discussed posteriorly on the posterior surface of your medial condyle, there is an attachment of muscle, that is the semimembranosus muscle, which is a muscle of posterior compartment. Now talking of the shaft, onto the shaft there is attachment of the muscle, that is onto the lateral side, this has been presented wrong. So onto the lateral side, upper 2/3 part of the tibia, there is an attachment of the muscle of anterior compartment, that is your tibialis anterior muscle. This medial surface, this is mostly subcutaneous, right? Talking of this posterior surface, as we have discussed, this posterior surface has a line, that is the soleal line, and it divides the shaft. There is an upper triangular area and a lower part. This upper triangular area, it has an insertion of a muscle named popliteus muscle. The line, the soleal line, gives an attachment to the muscle named soleus muscle. and the fascia which is covering the popliteus muscle. As we can see, there is another vertical ridge which divides the lower part or the part below the soleal line into two, that is the medial and the lateral surface. So this vertical ridge, as it has divided, the muscle attachment on either side of these are, that is the tibialis posterior is attached onto the lateral surface over here. This is the tibialis posterior surface, and towards the medial side of this ridge, there is an attachment of another muscle of the posterior compartment, that is the flexor digitorum longus muscle. So onto the upper triangular part there is an attachment of popliteus. Towards the soleal line there is an attachment of soleus muscle. The vertical ridge over here, it has divided the posterior surface into two parts. So medial surface there is an attachment of your flexor digitorum longus, and the lateral part there is a tibialis posterior muscle. And over here onto the posterior surface of your medial condyle there is semimembranosus muscle. Now coming on to the upper end of the tibia, as we have discussed that towards the periphery you have got a menisci. There is a medial menisci on the medial condyle and the lateral menisci on the lateral condyle. So over here there are attachments in the intercondylar area which you can remember by a mnemonic, that is Medical College Lahore, Lahore Medical College. I will repeat it later on. Just as you can see, I have a picture shown. So as you can focus over here, that this is the upper end of the tibia of the right side. So let me just pick up the tibia of the right side. So towards the anterior side you can see there is an attachment of ligament patelli. You can appreciate over here that there is an attachment of ligament patelli. Then there are the condyles, that is the medial condyle and the lateral condyle. So just see over here, anteriorly there is an attachment of medial horn of medial menisci, right? Then there is another ligament you can appreciate, that is the anterior cruciate ligament. Then you can appreciate another horn of the lateral menisci, that is the anterior horn of lateral menisci. Then more posteriorly there is the posterior horn of lateral menisci. More posteriorly you can appreciate there is a posterior horn of medial menisci, and lastly there is a posterior cruciate ligament. So you can remember by a mnemonic, that is Medical College Lahore, Lahore Medical College. So anterior to posterior over here you can see that there is an attachment, that is over here, that is the anterior horn of medial menisci, right? Then there is a anterior cruciate ligament. Then there is a anterior horn of lateral menisci. Then there is posterior horn of lateral menisci. Then there is posterior horn of medial menisci, and lastly over here there is a posterior cruciate ligament. So you can remember by a mnemonic, that is Medical College Lahore, Lahore Medical College, right? So the other muscles attached or other we discussed in the upper part, as I have told you, onto the medial side there was attachment of this sartorius muscle anteriorly, then gracilis and semitendinosus, and more posteriorly there was a tibial collateral ligament. So you can also remember these muscles, the muscles of different compartments of the thigh, by the mnemonic girl between two sardarchi, that is sartorius, gracilis and semitendinosus. Other attachments I have told you, Gertie tubercle has got iliotip